everyone, so this is the Atomy Synergy Ampoule 1-month program, and here we have the advanced hydration, which is the 0 code here, and then we have also the Vitaluminous here, one code 24K gold infusion, the second code, and the third code is the Miracle Rejuvenating. So now I'm gonna use this 0 code, which is the advanced hydration synergy ampoule. So what we will gonna do is to remove, of course, the plastic, and then after this we need to, here as you can see, you need to push the button, the white button, so that the active ampoule and the core ampoule will be mixed together. So you need to push it hard so that it will be mixed well. Okay, so here you go. Okay, so as you can see, the core ampoule and the active ampoule are now mixed together. So you need to shake it well so that it will be mixed well. Then after that, so as you can see, it now turns into blue, into sky blue. So all you have to do now is to remove the cap. Okay, so remove the cap and change it into droppers so it will be more convenient for you. So this is how you do it. Remove the this one, and then you change to dropper, and then that's it. It's now ready to use. And then do not open the 1, 2, 3 code. Open only after you use this for a week. So you need to open on the 2nd week and the 3rd week and the 4th week. So it's basically a 1-month program. Okay, so you don't need to open everything. You only need to open this for the 1st week, 2nd week, and 3rd week, and then 4th week, since it is a 1-month program. So the reason why you should not open this if you are not yet using it. It's because there is an active ampoule, and if this will be open, then the efficacy, as time goes by, the efficacy will be lessened. So you need to open only when you use it during the week for that 1-month program. So that's it. I hope you will gonna use this because it has really a good effect on your face, and it has a miraculous effect, and you will feel glossy, and you will become more and more beautiful with this Atomy Synergy Ampoule. Bye.